And if you can see the camera, they can see you. And it's the least consequential part of this whole meeting for you, I promise. All right? God save the Queen, man.
What the hell does that have to do with anything?
So we're going to see all this unfold. I'm confident. Thank you very much.
What the hell was that?
You heard from Secretary Vilsack. Senator, excuse me, I voted you. We're going to increase America's share of global memory chips and production by 500%. And I got General Motors. I didn't get them. General Motors decided after a long time spent talking to me.
What the hell was that noise?
The combination of the political appointees and the professional State Department personnel. You got to take a message of thanks back to your teams. I signed the Chips and Science Act, which I felt very strongly about. You're the most involved generation in American history.
Well, it was weird, right?
I also want to acknowledge the gentle lady from Georgia, Lucy Macbeth. Purchase more food from local farmers and ranchers.
What would be your message to Abdul, his wife, and his 3 young daughters?
That's an odd message.